Usually our mind thought is always vibrating, wavering. Which is good, which is bad, witness, It's a wavering thought also. When we can able to stop that, for that, two aspects is necessary. One is experience-based determination. Another is logical-based determination. When we get both, the decision become positive. When it is become single point, that time consciousness, awareness is high. That's we called intuition. Actually, three-dimensional, we are reaching the single point. The experience-based, knowledge-based, we are reaching the single point, that getting a higher consciousness, awareness, that time, what decision we are taking, that is lead to positive. This is the way. For that only, we are putting all the effort for experience and knowledge.